Good morning, students. Chapter percentage. We did the first exercise 5.1, isn't it? Now, page number 91. Two more questions are there. Write the question. Question number 12. The cost of a radio increased from 500 to 550. What percent has the cost been increased? Listen. The cost of a radio increased from 500 to 550. What is the percentage of increase? The cost is 500 and increase to 550 means increase is equal to 50 rupees 50. Therefore, increase percent is equal to increase by, right up, increase by original price into 100%. Understand? Now 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel, 5 and 50 cancel, you will get 10%. Increase percent means increase by original value into 100%. Then how can you find decrease percent? Suppose the question is 500 changes to 450. That is 500 minus 450. Understand? Therefore, decrease by original value into 100% gives decrease percent. Now, write the next question. Question number 13. The price of an electrical fan is 300. If there is a decrease of 10%, what will be the new price? What's the original cost? 300. Write the step also. Original cost 300. That decreased by 10% means the new value is equal to 300 minus 10 by 100 of 300. What's the answer? 30. That is 300 minus 30. What is the final answer? 270. Okay. Now, next heading, right? Application of percentage to real life problems. What's the heading? Application of percentage to real life problems. Right? The first one, example 1. Example 1. 45% of the population of a town are females. If the total population of the town is 54,320, find the population of males. Now listen. Here, the population of female, look here, female percentage is 45%. Now can you say what is the male percentage? Male percentage, we know that population means males plus females. Total percentage means 100, isn't it? If the female percentage is 45, then how can you find the male percentage? Very good. 100 minus 45. What is 100 minus 45? That is equal to 55%. You can directly find that answer. Understand? What is the question? If the population of the town is 54,320, find the population of the males. We know that males are of 55%. Therefore, number of males is equal to 55% of 54,320. Is it? That 54,000 is there. Yes, 54,320. Then can you say what's the final answer? 29 and 0, 0 cancel. 29,876. 29,876. This is the easy way. Understand? Not find the total number, then find. Here you can find male person 45. Therefore, male person is 55. Number of males is 55% of the total number. Okay. Then example 2. Next example. Rohini spends 88% of her salary in monthly income. If he saves 3,420. If he saves 3,420 means saving 3,420. We know that she spends 88%. Understand? Spend percentage 88. Then can you say what is a saving percentage? Saving percentage is 100 minus 88. What is that? 12%. Understand? Now read the question. Rohini spends 88% of her monthly income. If he saves rupees 3,420, what is her monthly income? Her monthly income is, what is given here? The relation connecting savings given. 12% of total income. She saves, that is 3,420. 12% of total income she saves. Therefore, 12 by 100 into x is equal to 3,420. Therefore, 12x is equal to 3,420 into 100. Is it clear? Now, write the next step. We convert this 12 in the other side. Therefore, x is equal to 3420 into 100 by 12. What's the answer? After multiplication, divide by 12, then you will get 28,500. Understand? Dividing by 12, you get 28,500. Once again, she saves rupees 3,420. Therefore, we convert that saving percentage. 88% spend means 100 minus 88, 12% she saves. 12% of the total income she saves. That means 3,400. Now convert that into X. Total income is 28,500. Then read the next question. Example 3, they are very important questions. Example 3, in a school, 35% of the students are girls. Understand? In a school, 35% of the students are girls. Girls percentage 35%. Then can you find boys percentage? What is 100 minus 35? Very good. 65%. Boys percentage is 65%. Then what is given in the question? In a school, 35% of the students are girls and the number of boys is 676. Number of boys given. Therefore, 65% number of boys is right? The steps, that is also very important. You write the steps. Number of boys given in the question is 676. Understand? Now, find the number of girls in the school. Number of boys is 676 means, right, 65% of total students. 65% of total students is equal to 676. Isn't it? The total students, we assume X. 65% of that question is given 676. Now you convert that into sentence. 65 by 100 into X is equal to 676. Now 65X is equal to 676 into 100. Then what is the answer? X is equal to 676 into 100 by 65. Find the answer. You can do by yourself. 676 into 100 by 65. The answer is 1040. Got it? 1040. All of you got it? That is the total number of students is 1040. Out of that, in the question itself it is given 676 are boys. Then how can you find number of girls? One way is 35 by 100 into 1040, or directly you can write number of girls is equal to 1040 minus number of boys 676. 10 minus 6, 4. 364. Or you can apply this method. 35 by 100 into, what is that? 1040. Then also you will get the answer 360. Now, okay.